In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in multiple OpenSea accounts. If you manage different wallets for collecting, trading, or separating personal and project activity, OpenSea makes it simple to keep them organized in one place. I'll walk you through the process and share a few helpful tips so you feel confident the whole way. Start by heading to the official OpenSea website in your browser. Make sure the address is correct before you continue, and that you're signed into the browser profile that holds the wallet extensions you plan to use. Once the site loads, open your profile menu in the top right and choose Manage Wallets. This takes you straight to your wallet settings, where everything related to connections lives. On the linked wallets page, you'll see any wallets currently connected to your OpenSea profile. If you're just getting started, this might be empty, which is totally fine. This page is your hub for viewing connections, keeping track of what's linked, and cleaning up anything you no longer use. To add another login method, click Link a Wallet. This begins a secure connection flow so OpenSea can recognize your additional wallet. Next, you'll be asked to pick a wallet provider. You can select popular options like MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Wallet Connect compatible wallets, and others. After you choose, your wallet app or extension will prompt you to approve the connection and sign a message. Signing proves ownership of the wallet without revealing your private keys. Take a moment to read the prompt and confirm you're connecting the intended account. If you prefer not to use a crypto wallet, you can continue with email instead. OpenSea will guide you through a quick verification, and once that's done, your email-based login appears alongside your other linked methods on the same page. This makes it easy to access your profile whether you're on a device with extensions installed or not. After linking, all your methods will be listed under linked wallets. From here, you can see what's connected, remove anything you no longer need, and ensure your profile reflects exactly how you want to log in. When you return to OpenSea, you'll be able to choose the wallet or email method you want to use, and OpenSea will remember those connections for faster, more reliable sign-ins. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Only approve connection and signature requests you recognize, never share recovery phrases, and consider a hardware wallet for higher value assets. Keeping your wallets labeled and organized will make switching between them smooth and stress-free. That's it. Your multiple OpenSea logins are set up and ready to go.